Hello, folks. Good morning. As you all know, my name is Mohammed Yusuf. So I'm here to give a full breakdown of the trade which I took today on EU. So as for today, I took a trade, but the trade got invalidated. So I had to sit back and review the trade and find why the trade hit SL. As we all know, any loss in trading is actually a lesson to be learned from it. So that's it. So before I begin the breakdown, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video link, this video or the video link to your friends and family, and also like the video. So let me just go straight to the point. So actually, when I woke up today around 5, I had to make my prayers. And after I made my prayers, I went directly to the chat. So I came and marked out my point of interest on DXY. So as for EU, Euro USD, I already marked my point of interest yesterday night at 10 o'clock before the new daily candle opened. So actually, when I came to my tape after making all my points of interest, I saw that on DXY, price went directly to sweep the Asian high before London session opening. As we all know, here in Nigeria, the time which London session normally opens 7 o'clock, that is 7 a.m. in the morning. So as you can all see, before the London session opened, had opened, price went directly to sweep the Asian high. So I saw that price went directly to sweep the Asian high because I was on the 30-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. So I saw that okay, the candle which swept the Asian high had already closed below the Asian high, and that was around 6:30, 6 o'clock. So this 6 o'clock candle closed below the Asian high. Then I switched to my 15-minute time frame, and I saw that the candles on the 15-minute time frame actually closed below the Asian high. Then I came to my 1 minute directly. And then I saw that in the 1 minute time frame too, as soon as price closed below on the 30-minute time frame, as you all see, the sweep of liquidity happened around 6:05 a.m. Nigerian time. 6:05. So price had already shipped structures on the 1 minute. But actually, I didn't make an entry because it wasn't aligned with my high probability time to make an entry during the time that Asian high swept liquidity, because you can also see that price swept liquidity, and as price swept liquidity there, price shift structure. You can see the shift structure. That is a shift instruction. You can see that price shift structure. And then it even like left one of my entry model, this entry model of support and resistance entry. I could have made my entry, sorry, let me zoom out. I could have made my entry around this level, sorry, not that level, this level, using the short two, two, but actually I didn't do that. I actually waited because in trading, it's all about 80% patience and 10% 10% 10% doing your analysis and 5% execution. As they even say that, as they even say, you can even do your analysis without executing, because execution is very, very expensive. Analysis is cheap, but execution is expensive. Because many people tend to after doing their analysis, their breakdown, their analysis, they have this fear of executing, and they also sometimes break their rules. But back to what I was explaining. So as I saw that guys has already break section, I waited, and I was patiently waiting for price to to align with my high probability time, which to make entries and look for setup. So I just immediately switched to my immediately I switched to the 5 minute time frame that is on DXY, and I saw that oh, price was consolidating. As you can see, as the candles here and the candles here, they're consolidating, or you can see they were accumulating. Then I waited. Then during the time which I was waiting patiently for the setup to align with my net probability time to make entries, because as we all know, time works with price and price works with time. Time. I know many traders out there, you can see maybe like 30%, they don't actually work with time. Just come to their chart, look for, go to jump, they just jump to different charts, look for setup. They don't even actually know when their setup form. But me, actually, I know when my setup form, and I know the times which I should make entries in my setup. So, back to what I was saying, I said that price was actually consolidating here. As it was consolidating, I waited for the long session to open. And as I said, I always say this blue kill zone, this blue kill zone is my London session kill zone. This actually these markings, this blue kill zone, and this red kill zone that you guys are seeing here. All this is an indicator which actually shows when all the sessions open. We all know you have three sessions: London session, Asian session, New York. Sorry, we have four: New York and London close. London close, and each of them have their time which they open. So I saw that, as I said, I saw that price was consolidating. Price was already consolidating. Sorry, let me use this demonstration. Price was already consolidating here. It was consolidating. And as I said, even in my previous video, I said consolidation leads to expansion, then retracement back, then expansion again, then maybe consolidation again. That's it. Let me just give a clean graphical representation of what I'm saying with this. Let's say for now, for example, my price is consolidating like this. It's consolidating. It's consolidating. It's moving sideways. Expect that price will expand to the downside or the upside, then retrace back, then expand again. So let me give a this is a bearish version of it. While the bullish version, for example, let's say price is consolidating, it's moving sideways. It normally expands, then retrace back, then expand again, then maybe consolidate again. So that's how price moves. If you don't know it, better know it now. So as I saw that price was consolidating, then I waited. Then immediately when London session had opened, price just expand to the downside like this. Expand. Then I quickly just switched to my 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. As I keep saying, and I'll keep saying it, DXY gives me more confidence to take a trade. Gives me more confidence to take a trade. So as price expanded, I saw that okay, price had left a market structure shift. That is, sorry, price had left a bearish market structure shift here. That is showing you that price has shift structure to bearish. And I saw this other block here. Price left this other block here. And other block which is on support is a high probability other block. Support on resistance level is a high probability other block. And I keep saying highs and lows are areas of support and resistance. So I just marked them out, and immediately I saw price went directly to fill this 1 minute error block, and then sold. So before it even said, before price had even made the sell, I quickly just switched to let me erase this. I quickly just switched to EU EU because it's the same thing that happened on DXY, which I explained happened on EU, but it is the opposite, which is the bullish type, the bullish version. So on EU, what actually happened was the price had already came to sweep the Asian low here, and then you can see the candles here as the price swept it, the candles already closed above. You can see the candles here, all the candles here, 1, 2, they close above Asian low, and around that is around 6 o'clock to 6:30 range, as you can all see. So I quickly just switched to my 15-minute time frame, and I saw, and I actually thought this candle, the candle here too, was closing below the daily open. Then I patiently waited because it wasn't even during London session this happened. It happened before London session. So as I saw the candles were not closing above daily open, I wrote. I just said to myself, please, you should wait for this setup to show. So I switched to the 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame. As I switched to the 5 minute time frame, I saw that okay, as price swept liquidity here at 6:05, you can see 6:05. Price expanded a little bit. This bullish candle then started consolidating. As I keep saying, consolidation leads to expansion. So price consolidate. So this consolidation happened before the London session opening. So as price was consolidating before London session, I had just sat down and sat down and was patiently waiting. So as London session opened, price just expand to the upside. I said again, I'll still keep repeating it. Consolidation leads to expansion. So price expand to the upside, then switch to my 1 minute time frame. Because me normally I trade the 1 minute time frame a lot. Sometimes I trade it sometimes, but if you are not well, if you don't do a lot of back testing, you're not able to be trading it. So as price expanded on the as price expanded, because price is not a fractal. Anything that happens in the monthly, weekly, or daily time frame happens on all of the time frames, and nothing is different. So as price expanded, I saw that price had shift structure, showing me that price is already bullish here, bullish here. Then I saw that price has left an entry model for me, which I actually looked closely before I had to find it. So it left a 1 minute order block here. As you can see, I circled it, then I marked it out. As soon as price came into the order block, I was feeling like somehow uneasy, like, should I execute? But I just said to myself, if I don't execute, that means I don't trust my system. Because sometimes this order block fails. It actually fails, and sometimes it works. So I just made my execution and left everything. Because if you think too much while you are trading, that means you don't trust your system or something like that. So I actually just executed. So as you can see, as soon as price came and tapped into the other block, I just executed. And actually, let's expand, hit my TP1. This is my TP1. Then I moved my SM to BE. That's my stop loss to BE. And then, as you all know, my risk reward model is 3RR. 3RR. So I targeted for a 3.03 RR. That's actually, as price hits TP1 here, that is 2 risk reward, 2RR. Price actually reversed to BE. So actually, what price even gave was 2.6 RR today. So that's it. Sometimes market gives, sometimes market takes. So nobody knows what the market will do. Just do your analysis and execute and leave everything play out. If it doesn't play out, fine. You find reasons why the setup didn't play out. Because every loss in trading is not something to take personal. You just have to look for the reason why you made that loss. So that's it. That's what that's all for now. And please, I'll say it again. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share to your friends and family, and share to your friends and family this video or the video link, and like the video. Thanks again, guys. We meet next week. I said we meet next week. We meet tomorrow. If I actually get time to trade, we meet tomorrow. I'll drop a breakdown tomorrow. So thank you guys. Have a nice day. I wish you all the best. Bye.